What's up, guys? So here's a quick update with my ITP. So today ITP is celebrating its 11th Thanksgiving, and they have a huge bonus promo that is running right now, and I have participated with this bonus, and this is really huge, guys. I doubled my capital because of this promo, and this event right now is really huge, guys. You can double your capital, you can double your money through their bonus event. Okay, so here's the Thanksgiving bonus promo that is running right now, and there's still 7 hours left before this bonus promo ends, and this is really great opportunity, guys. So let me show you here. These are the bonuses available. Okay, so this is open for old members or new members. All right, so you can maximize this opportunity. Okay, even if you just deposit one time of 263, so if you deposit 263.50, you will receive 263 bonus. All right, now if you deposit a bigger amount like 623.50, that's between 623 and 624, you will qualify again for another bonus, and you will receive 623 USDT. Okay, so those amounts will be added onto your capital, so you can use that for your daily quantization. Okay, and guess what? If you deposit this bigger amounts, in short, you will double your capital or your deposit right after you deposit your funds. Okay, just like what happened to me, I received 1,786 total bonus today because I deposit 263 USDT and the 1523 USDT, so I received the same amount in bonus. Okay, so in total I received 1,786. So the good thing about that is that's not the only amount that I have received, because I've also qualified for the two deposits. You will again receive another $500 worth of dinner voucher. Okay, so what's the dinner voucher? It's also in cash. All right, so I received $500, and it's up to me if I will use that for my dinner with family, or I can also use that for trading. All right, so that $500 will go directly onto flexible funds. So we all know that when it's in on flexible funds, we can immediately withdraw that. Okay, so I only spend this number 1 263. All right, and the number 3 bonus deposit, which is 1523. And guess what? How much I have collected bonuses for today. So my total asset now is 4,300, guys. Can you imagine? So let me show you my asset details here. All right, here we go. So I have I just did my quantize. So quantify amount is showing right here, but what I wanted to show you is the bonuses I have received just today. Okay, so yeah, from this giveaway, you can see the date there, November 21, I received 22 USDT. That's from the two qualifications of two deposits. So if you process two deposits, you will receive a bonus of another $22 or 22 USDT. Okay, and also I received a bonus of 15 USDT for accomplishing this task income. Okay, you can see the date in there. It's also same date today. All right, and then the Thanksgiving dinner voucher, 500 USDT. So that came from my two deposits right here. All right, so I showed you a while ago the 263.428 USDT and the 1,523.5 USDT. You can also see the refill bonus right here, same amount of my deposit funds. All right, so these are the bonuses I received just today, guys. Okay, and what I am very excited about is the ability to earn greater amount of my daily quantize. All right, so yeah, I have 65.93 right now, and I think this is not showing the correct amount. It's supposed to be like 73 US dollars for today's quantized earnings. But since the server or the system is a bit congested right now, because yeah, we all know people are qualifying for the bonuses because there are only there's only 6 hours left for this event. So I will finish this video as soon as I can so I can post it on my YouTube channel. So if you feel like trying this ITP, all right, you can still have a chance to participate on this event happening right now. This is huge, guys. Okay, even if you just deposit one time of 263, okay, make sure you qualified for the bonus deposit. So again, make sure it's the exact amount of 263.50. All right, and keep in mind the fees. For example, you're depositing from Binance or any exchange, make sure that you cover the fee. All right, and since it's using USDT TRC20, the fee is $1. So if you want to deposit 263.5, make sure you will type the amount of 264.50, and because the $1 fee is included there. Okay, so this is very, very exciting, guys. You can see my total assets here right now, and yeah, it's still on to release funds. So my quantized amount is like only half of that, but I'm very excited. In just 4 days from now, after the 72-hour fund review mechanism, I can use all of these amounts for my quantization daily, and I will earn, okay, let me show you. I will earn this daily passive income. So 4,301 multiplied by, I'm on G2, so I'm earning 3.1% daily. So this is the amount I will earn every day passively from my deposit of, let me show you again, guys, here. So I only spent 1,789 USDT for my two deposits, and I received this 2,323 total bonus. So very generous of ITP. I'm very, very excited. I'm on G2, and if it reaches 20 members, I will upgrade to G3, and that's my ultimate goal for now, because G3 is giving us a good amount of passive income daily. So I'm very excited, guys. ITP is really changing lives. So you can see here my bonuses I received just today because of the event. All right, so this is to show the community. All right, this is ITP's way of showing their gratitude for how many investors trusting the system, and yeah, for the success they've made for 11 years or more. So yeah, ITP is really changing many people's lives, and I'm lucky to be part of this project. So that's all I have, guys, and I will end this video, guys, and decide if you want to become part of this life-changing opportunity of ITP. Okay, so again, happy Thanksgiving, ITP community, and as you all, guys, you can join my Telegram group for more updates and announcements. So ITP is really doing great. This is my main passive income opportunity, and I am very proud to share this project to everyone, because I know all of my members are enjoying their daily profit. All right, you can earn even without inviting anyone. So yeah, that's all guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please keep in touch, stay in my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe, share your thoughts, and consider thumbs up, so that will help my channel grow. Okay, again, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye bye.